How's it going? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today, I'm going to do 2 reviews of Canadian products. So you'll see one today and one tomorrow, but I'm going to be doing them in the next little bit. But you'll see it over 2 days. And they both come from the same place in Canada, which is amazing. So this is hot and spicy flavor Rooster instant noodles. These came from the Real Canadian Superstore up in Richmond, BC. You might be thinking, what is that? And it's basically like a Canadian big box grocery store / department store kind of thing, in the vein of Walmart, but it's not Walmart, it's real and it's Canadian. It's part of there's a big grocery store chain up there called Loblaws, blah 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 blah, and yeah. However, I will tell you right about now that this shirt and this hat did come from Walmart up in Canada. I will say that I am very unhappy with the shirt. It just gets bigger. It's like all these clothes I get lately, they grow. And it's really, really irritating because I've got all these clothes I just can't wear anymore because they just grow. Very, very, very uncool. Wow, remember these? I was digging up there on the top of above the cabinets, and I found a whole bunch of Monopoly tickets. Whoop. Let's see. Did I even open it? It feels like I didn't. Maybe it like. I don't know what's going on here. Oh, here we go. There we go. What did we get? $25 off or 50% off Shutterfly. And it's expired. That's okay. That's okay. It's alright. It's okay. Where'd my fork go? I'm really, really... Dude, didn't I just have a fork? Didn't I just stir that? Oh, it's in the... Now it's hot. Christ. Yeah, anyways. Yeah, this is hot and spicy. It will be anything but. Or, yeah, it won't be hot or spicy. It'll just be... Probably it'll be pretty good. I've really liked these Rooster ones. They're made in China. All the Loblaws store brand instant noodles are made in China. They, I think, were the ones who made I think it was like Suraj or something like that. And was that made in China or Bangladesh? I know it was a masala flavor, and I want to say it was made in China too. There are they have a really interesting variety up there at that particular store, which I like. I mean, more is more is more. Less is more, but only in certain venues. And right now I can pretty much say less is more generally doesn't apply for instant noodles. Maybe it applies to Taiwanese varieties, because as I always say, they're the masters of simplicity. You'll get a dry noodle that's just like, oh look, there's 4 ingredients in the noodles. Oh look, there's 4 ingredients in the sauce. Oh my god, I've never had anything like this before and it's so good. That's how Taiwan works. I love that. Okay, guys, fork. Fork and A. Okay. You know, you're probably thinking like, what happened to your witty banter, dude? It's like, it's still here. I guess I don't have as much of it all the time. What do you want me to do? Entertain you all the time? Oh, I gotta try this. A big pot of noodles, actually. 500 mils of water, and this block is pretty thick stuff. Come on. Being elusive and troublesome today. There we go. What a weird flavor. I love it. It does? Wow. It's kind of got a fresh spicy to it. Need a spoon. Spoon. I think if you wanted that actually to be really like decently hot and spicy, add it calls for 500 mils of water. Go for 250. That should do the trick. Better yet, at this point, don't put in the liquid. Don't put in the powder. Just drain it. Put in a pat of butter and then stir it up with the powder, because that's how you're supposed to do the other one as a main dish that I'm going to be doing, that you'll see tomorrow. So, unless I did it in the wrong order and you see it yesterday. You'll see it yesterday. Mark my words. Okay. There we go. And we'll go with a little cilantro for the spicy. Some mung bean sprouts. But not that mung bean sprout. You can go over there. And not this one. And then we got some chicken. I baked some chicken. You might wonder, what happens to the chicken? Well, usually I'll make a chicken breast, and the leftovers from that, I used to save them for the next day for more reviews, but I generally just pack the rest of it up and give it to my wife, and she has it with her dinner. 'Cause I'm a nice guy. I endeavor to be a good husband. Alright, well, what do you think there, kids? Oh yeah. There you go. Whoa. Anyways, if you're up in Canada and you go to the Real Canadian Superstore and you see this stuff, get some, because actually, I've enjoyed every single one of these. I don't know who they've got private label in it for them, but it's good. So, yeah. And hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.